Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install and configure PoP OS 20.04 long-term support edition on VMware Workstation 16 Pro. So PoP OS is a clone of Ubuntu operating system. So first I am creating a new virtual machine, choosing typical installation. First I am browsing the installer disk image. So I already downloaded PoP OS 20.04 from System76 website. I will install the operating system later. From drop down I am selecting Ubuntu 64-bit since it is a clone of Ubuntu project. Now I am giving one name to this virtual machine. Now I am allocating some memory to hard disk, storing into the single file. Next I am going to customize the hardware. So now I am increasing physical memory, that is RAM, and allocating some processor cores. So this virtualization engine parameter is optional. So for CD DVD I am browsing the PoP OS 20.04 disk image file once again. Network adapter will be NAT, so that it will be connected to the internet. So these are the settings of PoP OS 20.04 which I am going to install now. Let me start the virtual machine. So if VMware prompts for any software updates like VMware tools for Linux, please download it and install it so that it will fix lots of guest edition problems. So installation screen has arrived. English will be the default language. Now I am selecting the location and keyboard layout. Next, I am selecting the clean install. So clean install will use all the space in the hard disk. So I am choosing selecting the hard drive. I am not choosing drive encryption, so I am pressing the button don't encrypt. So now you can see that installation in progress. Once installation done, I am logging in. So installation done. I have logged in as a user called Ramnathan. So first I am typing VMware to check whether VMware commands are installed or not. So VMware commands are not installed. So what I am going to do is I am going to install VMware tools manually from the internet. So this is the command to download the VMware tools from the internet. Make sure that your PoP OS 20.04 operating system is connected to the internet. So this will download all the packages from the default repository. So basically PoP OS, Ubuntu, those operating systems by default have flexibility. See, once the install is going on, you can see that screen resolution is got adjusted automatically. So VMware tools got installed successfully. Now I am typing VMware and tab key. Yes, you can see that these commands are listed down. Yes, VMware toolbox -cmd -v is the command used to check the VMware tools version for Linux. Now I am restarting. So you can see that screen resolution got adjusted automatically. So I am typing some commands in the terminal now. So I am going to copy paste this terminal output to Windows OS operating system from PoP OS 20.04 virtual machine to Windows OS. I am going to copy this terminal output. Let me copy this. Copy, paste. Yes, I am successful. So copy paste is working fine with the PoP OS 20.04 and Windows host. Now I am typing some line in Windows host and I am going to copy and paste in PoP OS virtual machine. Yes, I can able to paste. So shared clipboard feature is working. So now I am going to try drag and drop feature. So I am going to drag and drop some files from Windows host machine to PoP OS 20.04 Linux virtual machine. Yes, I can able to drag and drop the file from Windows host to PoP OS 20.04 virtual machine. So it seems to be everything is successful. PoP OS 20.04 long-term support edition successfully installed on VMware Workstation 16 Pro. Please make sure that you are connected to the internet so that all the files will be downloaded and installed. If it does not install, means you follow the steps which I have done so far. So I have manually installed this time. So which gave me 100% success. I can see that copy paste and drag and drop is working after the manually installing the open VM tools.